Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, July 11th, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, today was a truly amazing day. Uh, we had about $18,000 open trade from Friday, and we came in today and everything went beautifully. We ended up exiting, closing out positive, just shy of $34,000. Nearly doubling what we had on Friday on our exits. And folks, this is the way this system is supposed to work. This is how I've made my money with these kinds of opens and follow through from the previous day. And what has been so disheartening is, if you've been following my videos, you know it's been 10 weeks. I think it's been 10 weeks since we even seen this happen once. I mean, it's just like we do get into positive positions, but inevitably they fade on the second day. And in hindsight, we would have done better just exiting at the end of the day, being, nervous day traders rather than doing it the way I do it. And of course, I am not going to start day trading. And I felt all along that eventually this thing might work itself out. And I haven't actually been trading cash in real time. I don't know. I'd have to look at it. I think it's been about 2.5 weeks. I stopped trading about 3 or 4 days before the Brexit election, and I haven't gotten back in. Based on today's action, I'm going to start real-time cash trading starting tomorrow, even though I'm a little bit nervous about tomorrow, but hey, I'm going to be nervous no matter what. I've been thoroughly enjoyed my vacation, but the old story about if you get thrown by a horse, you need to get back on it right away. And I didn't get back on it right away, but if I don't get it back on it pretty soon, I'm just going to like not riding the horse. It's a lot easier not to sweat and have all this anxiety with every darn market day, but it's in my blood. Been doing it for many, many years, and it's time to get back on the horse. So I'm going to start trading again in real time tomorrow. As I say, we closed out nearly $34,000 positive today, and not only that, we're carrying nearly $10,000 positive going into tomorrow. So we've had a $40,000 plus day today, just unbelievable. And as I say, that's the way this system is supposed to go. Hey, look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here. It ended up closing up 80, but it did pull back quite a bit from this line right up here. Now, I don't know when I drew that line. That goes way, way back, because we haven't been up here in a long time. It is not quite the all-time high, but we are so close. I think we got on the high today, we were within 30 or 40 points of the all-time record high on the Dow. That all-time record high was 18,312, and that was hit on May 19th, 2015. So it's been like 14 months since we've been up in this area. We got to a high today of 18,283. So like we were within 40 points of the all-time record high in the Dow today. Now, if I'm looking at this chart and just doing the chart analysis, I'd say I call it down tomorrow. You know, I'm going to take a contrarian view though and call the Dow up for tomorrow. I'm going to say it will break the record highs. I believe that probably the selling, a little bit of selling that came in today is people that are just saying, hey, no way, Jose, and they're shorting it and everything else. And this thing might take off and really put a major short squeeze on those positions that are being put in somewhere above the highs of the Dow. So I'm calling the Dow up for tomorrow. Anyway, fabulous day today. Just a fabulous day. I'll show you a few of the trades. This first one is in Chemours Company. That's an offshoot of DuPont. It's a chemical company. We jumped into this on Friday on this hard spike up. We got out today. This was our biggest trade. We took $7,000 out of Chemours Company. Next, I've showed you this chart a lot, but it was also a good one. On Friday, we bought JNUG, which is our leveraged gold stock, and we got out today. It wasn't the perfect exit. Would have liked to have hung on to this about 30 minutes longer, but we got out here. But even where we got out there, it was good for $5.4 thousand. Another beautiful trade in JNUG. And then, you know, some of the stuff we got into today was good too. Remember, we're holding nearly $10,000 in open trade equity. This is DGAS, which is inverse natural gas. It gapped up a little. We got into it right away. It just kept screaming. Very nice there. And we are holding $3,000 open trade in DGAS. And finally, I'll show you another one, good one. This one we got into. We buy the gaps. This is LCI Lanet Company. Big gap here. We're buying it awful high here, but this thing just kept screaming. And we are holding open trade $3.3 thousand open in Lanet Company. So absolutely a great day. I'm taking a deep breath. I'm going in tomorrow with real money. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back here tomorrow on Tuesday.